been over 10 years now since I had this problem with menstruation. It's usually like twice a month. And then the pain down there, the abdominal pain, the migraine and everything, I usually get sick. It's already scheduled that during my monthly period, I have to be absent from work. I was diagnosed to have a endometrial hyperplasia. I produce a lot of estrogen, and that makes the lining of my uterus like it's always thick. Though I have menstruation like twice a month, but the bleeding is still continuous because of that hyperplasia or endometrial hyperplasia. It's like one of the risk factors of endometrial cancer, tumor, or polyps if it's not being treated earlier. Nung nalaman ko po na meron akong ganun, siyempre kinabahan ako kasi wala pa kaming anak ng asawa ko. So sabi ng doktor, if it's not being treated earlier, it may be one of the reasons na hindi kami magkaanak. Sobra talaga akong kinabahan doon. Tapos nakakalungkot din kasi every time na darating na naman yung mens mo, parang gusto mong pigilin yung araw. Parang pwede bang hindi na ako mag-mens? Pwede bang lalaki na lang ako? We do not have children yet. We have that sex on schedule given by my OB that we have to follow. However, it's very hard for us to do that because on the 14th day, which is the ovulation day for me, I have mens again. So, hindi talaga siya makakabuo. In order for me to conceive a baby, I have undergone a RASPA or fractional curettage for my uterus to be cleaned. After 5 months of that operation, I had the spotting again. When I took Laminine, my menstruation became normal. And according to my doctors, with the continuous taking of food supplementation, even without that pill, as long as my hormones become balanced, I would have that big hope that I may have a children in the near future. And I believe, really, I feel it now in my heart that sooner or later I would have a baby because that 14th day is no longer a problem.